Hi guys, today we talk about Motorola Moto G85. It's launched on June 2024. The Motorola Moto G85 dimensions height 6.37 inch, width 2.88 inch, thickness 7.6 mm, and the weight is 173 gram. The build, front glass and eco leather back and plastic frame. The display of Motorola Moto G85, it's come with POLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 90.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 395 ppi density. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 1600 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection is Gorilla Glass 5. The platform of Motorola Moto G85, it's come with Android 14 operating system, and the chipset is Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 6nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cardio 660 Gold, and the GPU is Adreno 619. Let's talk about the memory of Motorola Moto G85. It's come with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM, and it's 4 micro SD cards. Let's go to the camera setup. It's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's got 1080p 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it's got 1080p 30 fps video in this selfie camera. The battery backup of Motorola Moto G85, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt fast wire charging. No wireless charging, no reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features of Motorola Moto G85, it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and water repellent design. And the price of Motorola Moto G85 is $300.